차이나 스매시 2025 여자 단식 결승 지금 시작합니다. 세계 1위 수닝샤 vs 세계 2위 왕만휘. 단순한 우승 싸움이 아니라 여자 탁구 최고 수준 스타일의 정면 대결입니다. 수닝샤, 중국, 세계 1위. 지난 1년간 세계 챔피언, 마카오, 유럽, 싱가포르 등 주요 대회 휩쓸며 빠른 스피드와 강력한 포핸드로 매 경기 하이라이트를 만들었습니다. 왕만휘, 중국, 세계 2위. 끈질긴 수비와 반격의 여왕. 중요한 순간마다 폭발적인 정신력으로 경기를 길게 끌며 상대를 흔듭니다. 두 선수, 지금까지 25번 이상 맞대결. 최근 2년간 수닝샤가 18승 9패 우세지만 매 경기가 손에 땀을 쥐는 접전. 번개 공격 수닝샤 vs 중원 장벽 박만휘. 공방, 위치 싸움, 결정적 포인트까지 한순간도 놓칠 수 없습니다.
She's yet to pick up a title this year.
It's up 10 or 11, you know. If she would have played, say, contenders or
수닝샤, 서비스와 리시브에서 빠른 공격. 초반 점수 확보 강점. 왕만휘, 중원 수비와 균형 잡힌 반격. 인내와 집중력으로 상대 공격 무력화.
It seems so. A bit of momentum and claw her way back in.
두 선수 모두 월드클래스 결승 경험자. 수닝샤는 결정적 순간 주도권 장악, 왕만휘는 역전 능력 최강. 이번 결승 마지막 한 점까지 승부할 수 없습니다. 숨막히는 최고의 결전, 지금 시작.
She beat Shasha in the final of the Champions Yokohama this year.
Ooh.
Awkward. Shasha didn't quite know how to meet the ball there. Against someone like Suningsha, even if you're Wang Manyu, should be a little bit bolder, back herself a bit more in those kind of situations. Variation is the name of the game. Looking for openings, staying low, taller player. Wang Man right knee in. Oh, on 1 foot the flick, recovers the net cord. Backhand at this point in the match is rare. Meetings in 10. I think empty serve. Bad.
Figured it out.
Great get, great read.
Oh.
Wow. Like this, with it being a smash final. Definitely at certain moments.
Over the liners. She generally does.
To play in that last game. Ended up being really important for her. Taking that ball so early is really, really important in table tennis. It's almost if you take the ball too late, you lose that. It's wasted energy. You wouldn't put it past the Chinese, though. They are so meticulous. Oh, beauty in the first place, but as soon as it's long enough, she recognises, fades it. Lying level of deception to her game that you don't always recognise due to her power. That was frightening. Backhand. Tough to receive. Again, it's a question of where do you meet it, when do you meet it. Imagine being him now, just seeing Sun Ying-Sha in this stadium. Oh, wow. To think about that 9-1 head-to-head. And how many matches do we see where someone wins from 3-1 down? This is only 2-1 down. Okay. A fifth, I should say. Yeah.
She mentally speaking, given that training she had at an early age.
What a get from Wang Manyu. It's easy to play off the angle. Less can kind of go wrong. Margin had more practice back there, probably, than Xia. What a push, by the way. Oh, that forehand flick. To then play a forehand from backhand half again. Amazing. Adjusting her service position, trying to get her backhand in. It's over.
The remainder of the games in this match will be Wang Manyu.
And why I say it, Leunda. She knows her opponent so well. That's you enough time to play it. Wang Manyu, who wants that backhand rip, wants that backhand counter.
We'd have Wang Manyu as the champion by now. And himself.
Yeah, I think affected by a lot of the flashes going off. We've seen empathy. For the game, I'd like to see how Wang Manyu serves. Look, she's doing the forehand serve now. What a push.
Oh.
For it to change your life. And if that isn't, it'd be interesting to see that almighty stats, the record in deciding games. These two have been neck and neck. Fully understand that. The tactic's been so successful to rest on your own laurels, but you've got to constantly reinvent yourself. Someone as good as Xia. Variety of balls. I love the play from Xia there as well. Oh, Shasha beat her to win her first WTT Series event of 2025. I think she...
Of defending her title.
That's in a bit of a strawberry push from Shasha.